watch me transform my hair with clip-in extensions. Okay, so it is now braided. So I'm going to attach a row of 4 just to the bottom section of the braids. And then I'm going to put a section of 3 on one side, 3 on the other, just on the top line of the braid. So I'm going to do another section just above my eyebrow of 3 2-clips. Okay, so now I'm going to put in my single strands just to blend out the front bit. And I just wanted to quickly show you the difference between these 2 clips. There's one that's the seamless and then these the invisible. Let me just show you them next to each other. These ones are the seamless clip-in extensions. They do have a slight shiny band, which is sometimes annoying if you just want like an easily blend at quite a thin point in your hair. And then here is the invisible one. Yeah, that's just why I love invisibles, because you can barely see it. You can literally barely see it. Okay, so this is my hair after all the clips are in, and now I just need to style it. And then this is the final. Yeah, I'm so happy with the results.